Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
When I die, I'm going to come back as one of these.
Let's start. First, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project. Now add your one photo. And add 6 photos of whatever you want to come back after you die. Now select Format 9:16. Now zoom photos to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Listen the audio and type text at that point. First write "When I die." Choose font and style according to you. Place the text and apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now listen to audio and write second text. Write, "I'm going to come back." Now trim text layer. Now write the third text. Write as one of these. Now trim text layer. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.